Hey subbies, it's Chantel with Remy Girls, and I'm coming to you once again with another wig head. So we're gonna stay on this topic for a little bit because wigs are one of our specialties. Here at Remy Girls, we offer different types of wigs, as you will see in this video. Right now, this is a blonde lace frontal, or a 613 color lace frontal, as some people may reference it. We do offer the 613 in virgin hair. We also offer real authentic Russian blonde hair. So this wig isn't even started on. What we're going to do with this wig, and the reason why I'm showing you this is because we're going to color it. We're going to make it into a ash color, and we're going to root it. So right now you just see the lace frontal sitting on top of our wig cap. So let me just show you a little bit of the back of it because we have not finished it. So this is the wig cap. This is a lighter color wig cap. We use black, but because this is blonde, we're going with a lighter color. So this is the wig cap that we will be sewing the rest of the hair onto this wig. So right now we've just kind of placed it on top, and we're going to color it in just a bit. As you can see, we're getting ready to do some damage. No, not for real damage. Not for real. We're professionals.
Right, not
not real damage. We're professionals. In this portion of the video, we are still in Cosmoprof looking for our color for our blonde wig. We love to use Matrix and Joico products, so this is what we're looking for here. And as you can see in this next photo, we are adding color to the rooted blonde that we've already done, and I think it came out lovely. Okay, so Tamora is now at the sewing machine, but I'm gonna sew this wig together. I'm just saying. Ain't that right, Tamora?
She's forceful. Forceful. Slave labor.
I had the machine set up all wrong and backwards. I'm gonna sew something together, and I had it all wrong and backwards.
I mean, it's all good.
So Tamora is using a Brothers sewing machine, and she has already put the frontal onto the cap.
Well, no, it's just tacked on. I'm about to sew it down now.
See, I don't even know what's going on. It's tacked on.
Yeah. I need some thread.
Okay. Thread. We are using Gutterman's thread. Let me get close. Well, let me try to get close. We're using Gutterman thread. It is what would you say, Tamora, the best in the business?
I like it.
I like it too. It is not cheap. There it is.
No, it's not cheap
at all.
I don't too much like cheap stuff.
Yeah.
So
we do not skimp on quality. We have over 1,000. What is this? Like 1,000 yards of thread. So we're ready to put those in the machine. And Tamora is setting up her station. And we're gonna get this wig knocked out. Well, I'm gonna get this wig knocked out with Tamora's guidance. So, so pay attention. This is real wig making, not your dome cap making, not your stocking cap making. We don't make wigs on a do-rag, because that's basically what you're paying for. Like, I don't understand how people pay thousands of dollars for wigs and then it's made on this. Like, who does that? Who does that? Tamora, do we make wigs on these? These are $1.99 at the beauty supply store. So you mean to tell me that you are paying for a wig maker to make you a wig, and they charge you what, anywhere from $100 to, I've seen them as expensive as $1,200, and they make them on these caps. Stop throwing your money away, people.
That's crazy.
Yeah, I don't get it. So just be smart about it. Oh, you write it down? Let me get the email address.
Yeah, that's all.
wonder why they're not answering. This is what happens when you've been behind the machine too long. Yes, that is hair on Tamora's head.
Candy loves me back.
She doesn't even like hair. Cut off all her hair.
Candy loves me back.
Now she got this blonde hair on her head. Too funny.
What's funny is that they added an object. What are you talking about? You are. Let me see. How you chew it? Yeah, that's horrible. I can't believe it. They ain't never give it to me. How the heck they ain't give it to me?
I thought that was standard.
I had this phone so long. It's just not right. Look at that. That is so good. That is so good.
So we finished up this wig. Tamora is flat ironing. And she's using her professional flat irons. Uh-oh. Let me fix my tripod. And you said this hair can take some heat, right, Tamora?
Yeah, it can. I'm using ceramic at 450.
And it's beautiful.
Ceramic flat irons.
At 450 degree heat. Now, we do not recommend this at home because Tamora is a professional, a licensed professional. So she know what works and what doesn't. For regular home use, you can use a regular flat iron that goes to 300 to 350 degree heat using this hair and you will be fine. But professional use, she is using 450 degree heat and this hair, as you can see, is taking it like a champ. I see her over here being modest. Tomorrow phone be blowing up.
Nothing.
Whatever.
Ain't nobody trying to put a ring on.
Just so silly.
See, you got me over here single.
These are our conversations when we're in the salon. Oh, this wig is looking so beautiful.
It is.
With 16 inches. Oh, let me go back here. 16 inches. Let me zoom out. Get your life together, Chantel. Okay. Yep, 16 inches long. Well, it's the longest measurement. So it's a 14 inch and a 16 inch with a 12 inch frontal. Hard at work. She gets into her work because she's a specialist.
Special.
Whatever. Special. The wig is now straightened. Okay. Use this instead of what I'm doing. There you go. Just doing a little bit of adjustment. Got her glasses on her head. Most people put their glasses over their eyes to see, but you know. She got special powers, so.
Exactly. Very special. Very special.
So we have one curly girl up top. Pretty purple wig. This blonde beauty. And then we have another one that we have to get ventilated, get it wrapped up. I'm going to take over the ventilation process.
Woo, amen.
It's going to be awesome, so make sure you stay tuned.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for watching this video. We hope you enjoyed our wig making process. Also, we hope you really enjoy the smile of our lovely client who is overjoyed for her new wig. So make sure you shop at RemyGirls.com for your custom unit.